This is Libi, the smart library for the world's first digital natives. Libi offers children thousands of amazing stories, all free and accessible from their tablets and mobiles. We do this by engaging an army of self-published authors and giving them an easy online onboarding platform that allows them to get in front of their biggest fans in a few simple steps. Libi is super smart. It learns what each child loves to read and discovers more content that matches their tastes and ability. All Libi stories are fun, interactive, and gamify reading, with in-app rewards that help children achieve their 10 minutes a day reading goal. No fuss, no problem. The Libi Premium account also provides parents with real-time reading reports, includes tips from teachers to support literacy at home, and offers a monthly subscription service that builds a unique library of real books using personalized data to ensure each one is a firm favorite. An optional extra, the Libi Book Tree is an IoT bookshelf and the perfect place to store those keepers. The Libi Book Tree data completes the pictures of each child's reading preferences and progress, and makes bedtime a breeze when screen time is over.